All of this you are looking at, all this is marble made from limestone. The metamorphic rock of limestone is marble. We are in Jabalpur right now. You are looking at the scenery of Dhuandhar waterfall. I came here to bath in this holy river Narmada, and you are looking at the scenery. How amazing! How many people? Thousands of them are coming from different places to here to have a collective bath. Actually, the dam gates are opened. That is why the flow of river is very huge. Actually, the flowing speed, quantity of water, depth has gone increased. You can see in this picture what the actual scene feels like. Let us zoom it. Wow. There you can see. Actually, this city is based in the rock positions or formations of metamorphic rocks, basically consisting of limestone and having so much hard rocks, metamorphic rocks, which is deposited here due to the sediments collected by the flow of running river channels in this area. Through the river channels of Narmada, these sediments are deposited here and they formed marble. This you can see the hard rock metamorphic limestone. You can see here. Yes, this marble. All this is full of white stone. That is all for now. We are in Jabalpur. Stay tuned.